It took OnePlus 4 generations of smartphones, but the company might finally include some sort of water resistance for its upcoming flagship, the OnePlus 6. That is according to OnePlus' recent tweet, which is a 3-second video of raindrops hitting a surface. That surface could be the OnePlus 6's display. But the company remains tight-lipped on details. Modern flagship smartphones feature some sort of IP rating for water and dust resistance, with IP67 and IP68 being the most common. Seeing how OnePlus advertises its phones as flagship killers, it would be smart for the company to match those ratings with the OnePlus 6. As a refresher, the OnePlus 6 will reportedly feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of onboard storage, and a headphone jack. OnePlus confirmed that the phone will feature the oft-maligned display notch that could look like the Oppo R15 Pro's. If you hate the notch, the OnePlus 6 will feature a compatibility mode that will let you black out the sides of the notch when in landscape mode while using apps. Elsewhere, the slider is on the right instead of the left. Dual cameras might be found around back, and the fingerprint sensor looks to be an oval shape instead of a circle. Finally, the OnePlus 6 might be the first OnePlus smartphone to launch above $500. The OnePlus 6 might be announced before June, though we will pay close attention during the coming weeks.